Hello Weekend Crafter, welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend we will be mixing some earthy neutral colors that are perfect for fall. If this is something that interests you, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. Let's mix terracotta brick, taupe brown, warm white, and stone gray. For terracotta brick, you will need Sculpey Souffle in Chili Pepper and Sculpey Premo in Terracotta. Roll the colors out into the same thickness on your roller. Then, cut 1/2 part chili pepper and 1/2 part terracotta. Once mixed together, you will get this earthy red color. For taupe brown, you will need some Sculpey Premo in Tan, Sculpey Premo in Terracotta, and Sculpey Souffle in Cowboy. Cut out 6/8 part of Tan, then mixed 1/8 part terracotta, and 1/8 part cowboy. We will be mixing warm white. For this color, you will need Sculpey Premo in white and Sculpey Premo in tan. Cut out 1 whole white and add a 1/16 of tan. You will need very little of this to get a slightly off-white color. And for the final color, which is stone gray, you will need Sculpey Premo in white, and Sculpey Premo in cowboy. Mix 1/2 part white and 1/2 part cowboy to get this grayish brown color. And that is it for today's color mixing video. I hope that you like the resulting colors. If color mixing is your thing, comment with the rainbow down below. Thank you for watching. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!